If we take a look at Microsoft, I talked about this. I talked about this back when Microsoft was around here. This is a pretty fascinating technique that seems to work time and time again. When you find your third wave move, the vertical move within a 5-wave pattern, which was right here in 2020, around the first pullback after that vertical move higher, there's going to be a Fibonacci confluence zone. And that is the zone that all major swings are building off of. And we found it. It's right here around this 195, 194 level. And you can see that if you take from the 2015 low to that confluence zone, and then just duplicate that box, it takes you to this high right here in 2021. From the 2013 low to that confluence zone, duplicate the box, takes you to the 2023 high. You can see it, it's almost perfect. And then this is the final swing. This is the 2009 low. This is basically all the juice that this 5-wave move has left. And it takes you to 378, which is exactly where we are right now. I mean, $1 short of that, and we're doing this on decelerating momentum on a monthly scale. I mean, look in the past when you see decelerating momentum like that, moving higher, it's rarely a good thing, especially when it's this sharp of a move. So to me, this is concerning. This is why we took some gains in Microsoft. Now, if we take a look on the daily, like I said before, you top on the monthly and then you can work your way down to the daily, and it still allows for an opportunity to go a little bit higher. The highest that I would, let me see here. Let me see where we're going. Yeah, there we go. So the highest that I would allow this to go would be to the 415. This is as high as I would give this thing. And what determines this is, like I said before, 3 waves down or 5 waves down. 5 waves down, and 378 was the top. 5 waves down, then we can make one more swing higher into that 415 level. But Microsoft seems pretty close. Like it seems like it's running on fumes at this point.